We already created this. We have our class. If you guys want to create a new one, you can create it new one. Okay. Or use the same one also. So today I am telling you the concept of constructor. So suppose what happens tomorrow. I have this is the one class I have initialized. Okay. I have initialized the one class. Tomorrow I have to initialize one more class, two more classes, three. So we have to keep on writing these things again and again. We have to keep on writing these things again and again, which is not at all feasible. Which is not at all feasible. So we have a concept of constructor. We have a concept of constructor, which is called as soon as object reference is created. So I will show you all the things. So what I do, I create a new class. Let's work on new class. Car. Okay. I create a car const dot ts. Okay. I am creating dot ts. Okay. So I am taking it same. I am taking till here same car class. Now, now over here, I will be creating. Hello, who is speaking? Please go to mute. We need to create a constructor. Please go to mute. Okay. So the constructor will be called as soon as object reference is initialized and values will be sent. So I create constructor always starts with the keyword constructor. Okay. So give brand. So give all these values, brand, strings. So I'm not initializing these values here now. Okay, I'm removing here. It will show me error till the time I don't initialize that. Now I create a constructor. I give all the values over here. I give brand on one string. Okay, as generic. I see. As soon as you go to okay, you can give model also, color also. You can give all these values here. Over here. Give all these values over here. Colors and all these things. These are the default values. These are the default values. But when we create a object reference, there could be some values which come by default with object reference also. Say some car is Tesla, its color is black color. Okay, it is not, it is an electric car. It is not compulsory like this. So you can give like this. Now you have to get this is the current object reference. Brand is equal to brand. This if value is not there, then default value will come. Okay, remember? Model is dot color is equal to color. So this is the constructor I have created. This field type is equal to okay, all values we have. Now we have the functions. So I will be taking these functions only. Why should I create another? So I'm taking all this function, copying all the functions which you already have. Okay. Now here. Now I will be creating the object. Now we'll be creating the objects. Now I will be creating more than three. You can give. I will be creating dot. So how can I create const? Just give value. See, now first of all, I will be creating a default object. So it will give these default values. I give my car is equal to. So this is the default object. Fine. Its value will be there. Okay. So what I do, just go over here. My car dot show. Okay. Save. Let's run it and check it out. Is it working fine or not? Over here. Car. And see, it has created a generic line. That is the default. Now I create one more object reference. I go here, const my new r texture column 3, comma, with color as red, comma, electric. Okay, I gave three values. Now let's see the result of it. My new dot show details. Okay, save it. Let's run it. So it has created a new brand, Tesla model. Okay, third car reference we have created. Let me create fourth reference also. Okay, I am creating one more reference, car 3. Okay, let me show the details of it also. Car 3 dot show details. Let's start engine also. Other functions also. Car 3 dot start. Okay, so we have given these things already. So let's run it out. Let's use car drive also. Let's use car 3 dot drive also. So I've given all the functions. Save it. Let's run it. See, it has shown Maruti. I have told for this Maruti was initialized. Now Maruti starts with then started Maruti. So this is the concept of constructor where we don't have to write the complete provide value complete for each and every object. Okay, we can just use the constructor. It will help us. Guys, write this down and give me 5 seconds. Okay, guys, check the recording. We'll do it yourself. Next is the concept of constructor overloading. See, in Java, C++, we have a proper overloaded functions. Okay, in C++, we have different way to write the overloaded functions. But there, there we have multiple constructors. Remember anyone who have here done. But we have a different concept over here. We don't have to write multiple constructors over here. We need to just give multiple signature for it. Signature means parameters for it. So I will show you how we can do it. So let me create a new class. I'm copying this thing. Okay, then this I'm copying. I will take functions and everything from here only. Don't worry. So let's create a car over overloaded car. Now that means I will show you. Okay, you will understand. First thing I am going to do is I will declaration. So declaration is we only do the declaration over here. So just go over here and do like this constructor. Case one when it is empty. Okay. Case two when constructor only have two values. One is string, one is brand, and another is model. It is the case two. Case three when constructor have all these four values. When a brand or car which we have created all this values. Okay. So now you can see all are optional because there is a constructor without value. All are optional because there is a constructor without value. Okay. So I will take this constructor only. Fine. I'm taking the same constructor. I will make changes here, which will save the time. Now, so all the values, one constructor is there which do not have the values. So every value is optional. I have told you in functions what is the concept of optional. This is optional. This is optional. This is optional. This is optional. When the things are optional, then we don't have any value associated with the remove this. Remove this model also. So, this remove this. Okay, this is the now. Now I can see. Now you can give, see if the brand comes, then it is fine. Else we have to give some values also. Else, this is the or. If the brand comes from our value, I will say, if it doesn't come, then give the following values. Generally, okay, can be basic, white, okay, now nil. So now we have given some gem. So I am giving the functions also. I am taking the functions from here only. Okay. over here with the function. Okay. Now, now let's create a constructor. Okay. Let's I will we have a three type of constructor. I will create the object reference all the three types. First which one where I don't send any value. I will not send in any value, it will take the default value. So how can I do it? I go over here, give here, const my car is equal to me. Okay. Now it will call this constructor without value. It will see, yes, see question mark, nothing will be there. It will provide with all the generic values. Okay. If you just call the function show details over here, if we run it, name is car, overloading. And whatever. R LOADLNG. Let's show you more viewers. Any spelling mistake I will OVER LOADING. See any spelling mistake? Can you see any guys?
The file name is not saved with the TS.
Yeah, what?
The file name, right? That's not saved with TS.
File name not set with
Okay,
TS.
okay, okay, okay,
Carloading.ts.
okay, okay,
Uh,
okay, okay. Yeah, sorry.
this was the issue I had yesterday, which I was asking you guys. Then found out
Okay,
finally that was.
okay, okay. Yeah, now it worked. Fine. This was I have created with empty. Now let's create with two values. So we have a with two values also. So let me create a car which matches the two argument values. Fine. So I create a car. I give const okay, budget car and I give two values. So now see what happened. Now two values will pass over here. Okay. And string will this brand will have Honda. Model will have white value, but color is question mark and fuel. So it will take it says white and petrol default value. Okay, so let's run it out. Save it. Let's run it. So see, it take fuel. Color is white and this one. Just this is not my car. I have to use see budget car. I need to use. Now if I run it, see it is showing Hyundai model I-20 color is white but full. Now if I provide with all the four values, okay, so I create over here const R3 equals and I give all the four values. I give all the four values. Okay, and check it out. So see, if I give this R3, it will show you brand as Maruti, model as Swift, color as blue and full. So we got everything, each and everything there. Fine. So I have created a constructor over here that is overloaded constructor. If suppose someone has value, someone does not have value. All these things I have created a constructor and we are using them. Okay, write it down. Now after that we will see the concept of inheritance. Okay. Check it from the video. Next concept is inheritance. Basically, what is inheritance? Inheritance is a father-child relationship. Okay. It's a father-child relationship. Nothing else. So a child always inherits the properties of its parents. Okay. To implement inheritance in TypeScript, we use extend keyword. We use a keyword that is extend. This keyword allow a child class to inherit all the properties and methods of a parent class. Okay, remember a parent class. So we don't have to rewrite them. We can inherit them. Okay, so I will show you. I will take it same. Okay, I will take till here same. Okay, I create a new class. Car dot. I have created a function. Now suppose we have an electric car. We have an electric car. Right? I have an electric car as a child. So this is the petrol we are using. So now I am using the electric car. So what I can do, just go over here, give class as electric, electric car extends. So now this I told you we have a, so now it has its own properties also. So in electric car we have battery capacity. So it will have its own unique properties also. So have battery capacity. Or have this battery capacity. Okay. Now I used to we were using constructor to initialize this function. Okay. Now what I do, check it out. Check it out. I create a constructor over here. I give the same values as it is given out. String, color, and all these things are there. Fine. I take it from say I don't need a fuel type now. Fuel type is different. I will show you. It will be petrol by default for other car. For electric, it will be for this electric will be electric fine. So I give it over here. Brand. So these are the values which we have to pass in our parent. And for child, we have a battery capacity, comma, battery capacity. Now, now you need these value to be passed over here. So we have a keyword known as super. What is the keyword? Super. Super is the keyword used to send the values, okay, to the parent class. So we can give here super, give the brand. I will send these values when I will create what object reference model on color and always our fuel type will be electric. Okay, it will be electric. Because we are talking about electric car. Okay, and in this constructor only we need to initialize battery capacity. So this will be this dot battery capacity. Here we are now. This is the way which we can use it. It can have its own unique function also. Electric car can have its own unique function also. Yes or no? Okay, it can have its own unique functions like charge battery. And in this charge battery, I will build all the things that is brand name, model, battery type. So we can have a function charge battery or and in this can I can print all the things that is charge the brand name and all this. Okay, fine. I am not explaining you currently the overloaded function concept. I am just showing this. Okay. Now let's start creating the object reference. So let me create a object, normal object. Let me create a normal object. So I go over here, just create a normal object for a normal object we want to be passing electric. Okay. It will be simple car class I will be using. I will be using the parent class. Maruti. Okay. I have given it. You can see show details. So it will be regular car. C-O-N-O. I have to give one more function. Dot show. Okay. That's my mission. I'm calling card. It works fine. Now let me create for electric car. Let me create for electric car child car. Okay, so I create the object and give the following value in it. So go ahead here first. My Tesla is equal to new electric car. And I am sending four values. So now see, now the electric car will be there. Its constructor will be called. Brand will have Tesla, model will have Model 3, color will red, and battery will be 75. Now these values will be sent. These values will be sent to superclass. It will be sent here. Brand will be now Tesla, model will be Model 3, color will be red, and by default we are sending electric. Will be and we have a 75, this will come in the battery capacity. It will be assigned here. So now if I run it, if we try to, which is the function it has starting there. Right? This function has battery constructor. Okay, we have charge battery function. So let me call this function electric car dot, sorry, my Tesla dot charge. Okay. Let's save it and run it. See, it has given charging the Tesla model. It has called this function. Charging the Tesla model. Battery capacity is 17.3 kilowatts. Okay. So we have initialized the value here also and here also. Now this is known as inheritance. Now suppose one more concept I am telling you here is function overloading. Another question, interview question is also this. So another concept I am showing you is the uh, overloading. What overloading? Function overloading. Suppose now I in that my Tesla I call the function show details dot show details. Okay, listen to me. Save. Run it. So see, it is showing me brand Tesla Model 3 and 4. It is calling the function of parent class. It is calling the function of parent class. Okay, it is defined in parent class. Now, if I copy this function and put it in the child class also, I put it in the child class also. I am just giving here model child class, child class. Now, if I run it, so see, it is showing me child class. It is not calling the parent function. See, it is not calling the parent function. So this is known as function overloading. Okay. So where what? Sorry, overriding. Sorry, guys. Overloading is something different, which has number of functions with the same name. But this is overriding. It is overriding the functionality of parent. It has overridden the functionality of parent. Previously, it was showing the parent, which was not here in the child. Now, after once we have created the same function in the child class, it has overridden. So this is the concept of function overriding. So we have seen two concepts here: child class concept, overriding concept. Please write this down. Okay, got it. Are you ready?
One question. So
Yeah.
in the electric car class, right, which extends car, we have again given the show details function, correct?
Please ask me the question again. Just missed
So
again. Yeah.
yeah, in the electric class car, correct?
Mhm.
Or in the electric car class, we have used the show details function one more time, correct?
Yes.
So my question is, if we directly define the inherited class, give the show details, will it not take it from the original class itself, or should we redefine the function within the
Then you can
uh,
give like this. You can give the like this. Can give regular class. What? Traditional the Maruti model. Okay.
But the child
Is
class is taking the show details within the uh, extender class or from the base class.
see, in child class, we have given the same name as the parent class. So this,
Okay.
if we have the function with the same name in parent as well as in the child, then it become function overriding. So now if
Mm.
you create any object of child class,
Mhm.
object reference and call show details, it will call the child class only. Here we have not
Okay.
created, this is our regular class. This is not the child class, this is our
Yeah,
regular
yeah, I
class.
got it.
Yeah.
Okay,
So I call it, it calls it fine.
got it. Thanks.
Okay, okay, no issues.
I was wondering if you don't give the child details function in the child class, right? I was just wondering what would happen.
Yeah, yeah. Now, before we will be starting new topic tomorrow because it have we have done two, three programming. We have seen the concept of constructor, constructor overloading, inheritance, okay, function overriding. We have four concepts we have seen. One more concept I would like to introduce to you. Okay, suppose every car we know has a wheels known as four. Every car has wheel four. So why should we create the object? And why should we send the value every time? So if there is something which is unique, okay, to all the objects that we can put as a static property. Static property belong to class, not to individual object. Remember this point. Static property belongs to a class. I'm writing here, not to an individual object. So I create a variable, say object, say static, okay, wheels, okay, uh, I give it as number is equal to 4. Now every car has the wheels. You don't have to do anything. Just go over here, console.log. Is that wheels? And you see, oh, sorry. Just with car dot. Yes. No object reference. You don't have to give any object reference to it. You will directly access it. It is shown. So this will be shared among all this. All the object will have the same values. All the object will have the same values. Okay, static means every object reference will share the same value. Okay, because I wheel will be remain same. Wheel will always remain same for. So that is the use of static. Okay, we don't need to create a object reference to access a static value. Remember, we don't have to create a object reference to access any static value. We can directly access it with the help of class name. I am directly accessing it with the help of class name, say car. Okay. So this is the use. If you see if I, yeah, that is fine. Okay. So anyone has any question in static also? Anyone? Okay, write this now. Let me know once done. I'm stopping the recording.